Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. SoirEkim speaking. Have you ever had the situation where you're on the side of the road with a flat tire and you don't have a spare? Well, I've got that same problem with my Fiat 500. It doesn't have a spare tire, and it doesn't even have the tire inflation kit. I don't like that idea. I don't want to be stuck on the side of the road, so in this video, we're going to unbox the spare tire kit for the Fiat. We're going to install it, and then we're going to talk about it. Items contained inside the package are the winch assembly, 1 spare tire, 2 tire support brackets, 10 bolts and 1 nut, the tire hanger lug nut and winch access cap, 1 Velcro bag, 1 standard scissor jack, 1 lug wrench, and finally the work instructions. The tools I'll be using to complete this work are a 32mm hole saw. As part of rust prevention, I'll be using clear RTV silicone to seal any of the bolts installed and any of the holes revealed under the vehicle. A hammer drill on which I'll be using a number 13 socket. The vehicle can be hoisted using the standard scissor jack. In the shadows under the vehicle, we're going to be removing the aluminum tape. Install 1 bolt to aid in the assembly. Cut the hole for the access cap. Install and tighten all the bolts. Now we're ready for the spare tire. We're going to grab the tire hanger, weave it through the center of the tire, get the bolt on the tire hanger to go through one of the lug nut holes. Then we're going to grab the lug nut, tighten it down, and we're ready to hoist. And with the tire hoisted into position, our spare tire kit is ready to go. Dropping the spare tire would be the reverse of installing it. I'll store my jack and lug wrench in the Velcro bag. These can then be strapped under the driver's seat. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, if you liked the video, give it a like, give it a subscribe. This item was actually really easy to install. It took no more than about 30 minutes. A slight tweaking of where I'm going to mount it, because not all the bolts lined up on my particular kit. Kind of shitty. I ended up using metal tapping screws to hold in the areas that bolts couldn't match. I recommend getting one of these things. If you like changing your spare tire as opposed to trying to fix a flat, definitely worth having. Added layer of comfort for yourself to feel like if you get a spare tire on your car, you can get on the road and keep going without having to wait for a tow. Definitely recommend one.